Hello guys, what's up, welcome back to my channel. Well, right now I'm here requesting your prayer for our legend, the star Queen Z. Well, she got involved in a road accident. She was traveling from Gulu in Uganda to Numuli. She was taken back to Kampala where she is currently receiving treatment. And I'm requesting a prayer from you guys because she got to recover, guys. This is sad news. Okay, I need your prayer. Let's pray that she get well soon. uh, Quick recovery in God's name. May you recover sooner so that you can come back and entertain us, Queen. Queen Z, we love you and we support you. And this moment is very sad for us seeing you this way. May God heal you and may you come back quick and easy. Come back and entertain us. So this is what I have for you. Let all pray that she get well soon. Quick recovery. The Queen herself. We love you and we support you. May you get well soon. Please, if you are new to my channel, hit or smash the subscribe button. Bye bye.